How to install Google Tag Manager to Shopify. Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to do so. So first, just go to Google Tag Manager. You can just look it up on Google and you should be able to find this page right here. You simply just want to click on create account and follow along. It's very simple. It's not going to be complicated at all. So once you actually create your account, you simply just want to memorize, or not memorize, but keep this in mind. This page is very important, which includes the container ID. But before we get to this container ID here, we simply just want to click on the settings icon here, which is going to take us to the admin. From here, we'll want to click on install Google Tag Manager. We're going to get two snippets of code, the one that we need to paste in the head and the other one which is going to be in the body. So just copy the first one, which is for the head one, and just go back to your Shopify admin dashboard. From here, all you need to do is just click on themes from online store, click on the three dots next to edit theme, and click on edit code. Now from here, what you need to do is just look up theme.liquid here at the top. So just go ahead and search up theme.liquid and you should be able to find it right away. Simply click on that and you should be able to find right away at the top here, head, as you can see. So you simply just want to click right next to it to the right side, make sure it's fully to the right, and click enter one time and just paste in the code that we just copied. Then just go back to your Google Tag Manager and copy the other one, which is the body code here. And again, just go back to the Shopify theme.liquid. And now you simply just want to find the body tag. It should say body, as you can see. So this is going to be where you want to paste it in. Again, just click on the right side of it, the entire thing, hit enter one more time, and just paste in the code like so, and hit save from the top right corner. So now we're done with the main part, but now we also want to do it for the checkout. So in order to do so without having Shopify Plus, as we go to the settings tab from our Shopify admin, and you simply just want to click on customer events, which should be down here. Make sure you click on custom pixels and click on add custom pixel. I'm just going to paste in my Google Tag Manager ID over here as the name of the pixel and click on add pixel. And now all you need to do already, just go down to the description. You should be able to find a code. You simply just want to copy it and paste it right over here. The only thing that you will need to replace is going to be right over here. I left this comment here, which should say replace GTM, Google Tag Manager ID. And obviously you just want to replace the X's here with your actual ID. So make sure you go back to your Google Tag Manager, copy this ID right here, go back and paste it in here instead of these X's, and click on save. And just like that, we are pretty much good to go. So hopefully you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thank you for watching.